you know astronomers solved 12 billion years old mystery of stalled galaxies? Unprecedented measurements confirm galaxies idle when they run out of cold gas. New research, published in Nature and led by the University of Massachusetts Amherst, has just answered one of the fundamental questions about our universe. Why did some of the oldest, most massive galaxies go quiescent early in their formation? The answer, we now know, is because they ran out of cold gas. The most massive galaxies in our universe formed incredibly early, just after the Big Bang happened, 14 billion years ago, says Kate Whitaker, professor of astronomy at UMass Amherst. But for some reason, they have shut down. They're no longer forming new stars. Star formation is one of the key ways that galaxies grow, and they're said to have gone quiescent when they cease forming stars. Astronomers have known that these early, massive galaxies had gone quiescent, but until now, no one knew why.
For daily video updates, subscribe to Only Facts.